Hello, and welcome to My Little Country Living. I'm Tommy Ray. One of my favorite comfort foods is Alfredo. And a great fettuccine Alfredo is easy to make at home. You don't need to go out to the store and buy one of those cheap sauces in a jar because you can make Alfredo sauce at home really simply, very quickly, and you can make it with a few ingredients and it comes out better than what you get at the Olive Garden. So let's go ahead and get started. For our ingredients for our Alfredo sauce, we're going to start with 1 stick of butter, which is equivalent to 8 tablespoons, 2 cloves of garlic, 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour, 2 cups of heavy cream, a half cup of grated Parmesan cheese, a half cup of grated Romano cheese, 1/8 a teaspoon of white pepper, and just a pinch of salt. And then we're going to cook 1 pound of fettuccine. The first step in starting this recipe is to go ahead and preheat the water for your fettuccine. Once that water is ready, is boiling, we'll go ahead and drop the fettuccine noodles in there. But while it preheats, we'll go ahead and start on our recipe. First thing we're going to do is go ahead and put that stick of butter into our pan on medium heat. We're going to go ahead and let that melt. Once it's melted, we're going to add our garlic and saute the garlic for 1 minute. Our butter is pretty much melted, so we'll go ahead and add in our 2 cloves of garlic that we minced up. And we're going to cook those for 1 minute. Okay, that's been 1 minute for our garlic. So it's nice and soft. It's added flavor to the butter, but it's not burnt yet. So what we can do now is go ahead and add in our 2 tablespoons of flour. And we're going to go ahead and whisk that in there. So we get that flour all mixed in. We're going to cook this flour in here for 1 minute. And we'll continually stir it while we're cooking it so it doesn't burn. Okay, it's been a minute, so now we're going to go ahead and add in our heavy cream. And we'll add that in slowly and stir it in as we're pouring it. Now that our heavy cream is in there, we're going to go ahead and just let this come up to a gentle boil. Okay, our Alfredo sauce has started that gentle boil now. So what we want to do is go ahead and reduce that heat. And we're going to go ahead and keep stirring this and allow it to thicken up while it simmers on a lower heat. Okay, while our Alfredo sauce thickens, you can see that our water started boiling, so we're going to go ahead and add in our fettuccine. Then I'll get down in there. I like to put in a splash of olive oil in my pasta, just so it reduces it from sticking. You can see over here that our Alfredo sauce is starting to thicken up really nice. So now we're going to go ahead and add in our cheese. So we'll slowly stir in here. Here is our Parmesan. We'll slowly stir that in there. And here is our Romano cheese. Let's get that stirred in. Try to break up any of the clumpiness here. Oh, look how nice and thick that's getting. Okay, now we're going to throw in our white pepper. Get that stirred in there. and just a pinch of salt. Look at that. Look how nice and creamy that is. Okay, our Alfredo sauce is done and our pasta is done. I like my pasta to be a little bit on the al dente side. So what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and take this pasta and put it in the pan with the Alfredo sauce. And we're going to go ahead and just mix that sauce all up in there. Once that sauce is all mixed up, you can go ahead and take that and plate some of that pasta. Yummy. That looks delicious. Just a little more there. And I like to go ahead and top that with a little bit of parsley. We got a little bit of parsley on top there, and if you want, you can also go ahead and add chicken to it as well. Makes a fabulous chicken Alfredo. Thanks for joining me today in my little country living as we made a homemade Alfredo sauce that was even better than the Olive Gardens. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button, and also don't forget to subscribe to our channel to see more videos like this one. Thanks.